Hey there, welcome back to BTech. Have you noticed how faceless YouTube shorts are getting millions of views and creators are earning thousands of dollars? If you have ever wondered how you can get in on this trend, you are in the right place. In this video, I will show you how to create faceless YouTube shorts videos that catch audience attention and skyrocket your view count. Let's get started. Today I am going to reveal the secret weapon behind this trend, Clipwise. Clipwise is not just a video editor, it's like having a professional viral short video creator team in your pocket. With just a text prompt, you can create engaging short videos in minutes. Whether you are into history, random facts, or showcasing cool spots in your city, Clipwise has got you covered. Clipwise creates videos in 3 simple steps. So the link to this website is available in the video description. Click on create your first video and log in with your email ID. Clipwise creates videos in 3 simple steps. Type your idea, edit the narration and customize the final video with AI. It's as simple as that. Now I will show you how to transform your ideas into captivating videos that will get viewers' attention, even if you have never edited a video before. You can select from multiple languages options and choose the duration. And simply type your idea. Let's say you are passionate about the Olympics. You could type fun facts about the Olympics. Next, choose the video theme for your video topic. They have multiple video themes. Here you can see like oil painting, documentary style, watercolors, dark intensity, classic and cinematic, etc. So choose a theme that fits with your video topic and click on the generate button. Next, Clipwise uses its AI magic to craft a compelling script and stunning visuals that perfectly match your theme. You can then review the script, choose from different voiceover options to suit your video's tone.
We've all heard of the Kennedy family curse, but
good actions give strength to ourselves.
Everything in the universe goes by indirect. The ballot is stronger than the bullet.
You can even edit the script if you want to add your own personal touch. And if you don't like an image, no problem, just click the handy pencil icon and choose a different one. Once you are happy with the script, click on the next button.
Get ready for a wild ride. We're uncovering the unbelievable, wacky, and totally true side of the game.
Here you have a variety of customization options to enhance your content. You can choose background music to set the perfect tone for your video. Additionally, you can customize the caption style by selecting different fonts, colors, and positions to match your video's theme and ensure readability. Clipwise also offers various video overlay options, allowing you to add visual effects that complement your content and make it more engaging. And once you have completed these customizations, your final video is ready to be shared. Here you can preview it.
Think you're an Olympic expert? We're uncovering the unbelievable, wacky, and totally true side of the games.
You can download it to your PC. Here is your finished video.
everyone knows the 5 rings represent the continents, right? But did you know they're interlocked to symbolize the unity of all nations? Peace through...
Here is our video. A professional looking short video created entirely within Clipwise. And Clipwise is not limited to just fun facts. You can create explainer videos, product demos, educational content, and so much more. So Clipwise offers a range of affordable plans to suit your needs. Think about the time and resources you will save by using Clipwise to create high quality videos. Plus, use my special discount code to save even more on your Clipwise subscription. Head over to clipwise.ai and start creating your own viral video magic today. So don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome content. Comment on below if you have any question, and I will see you in the next one.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.